Greetings from the future of luxurious travel. Put away all you know about RVs. With its camper design, the British luxury behemoth Bentley boldly ventures into unknown territory in 2026. This is a statement, not simply a car. Envision an elegant beast with a look that perfectly captures Bentley DNA. The enormous, unique alloy wheels, the flowing body lines that are accentuated with rich chrome and carbon fiber, and the recognizable large matrix grills on each side of the svelte adaptive LED headlamps. Bentley's distinctive grace and speed are still present despite the enormous size. There is an equally remarkable powertrain below all of that luxury. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is anticipated to be powered by a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid drivetrain, which is anticipated to include a potent electric motor and a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine tuned for efficiency and power. Even for a car of size, the combined output could deliver over 700 horsepower and enormous amounts of immediate torque, guaranteeing smooth and faultless acceleration. It would also go quickly and emission-free because to its all-electric range. It's the ideal fusion of fashion, practicality, and ecological consciousness. As soon as you enter, the dashboard greets you as a marvel of beauty and technology. An ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that runs almost the whole length of the dashboard and integrates 3D navigation, vehicle controls, and an innovative infotainment system is the major draw. It has beautiful burr wood inlays, hand stitching, polished chrome or aluminum hardware, and the finest leather. All relevant data is shown in an understandable format on the completely adjustable digital instrument panel. When physical buttons are available, they are unique pieces of art made of solid metal that have a pleasing tactile feel. The inside living space is a movable, opulent lounge. Thick quilted leather sofas and chairs are incredibly comfortable and electrically replaceable. A large L-shaped sofa, a dining table that folds and conceals itself, or even swivel captain seats are available options. Large panoramic side windows with electrically adjustable opacity offer unhindered views. Concert quality sound is produced by a distinctive audio system from a reliable supplier, and the ideal atmosphere is created with movable LED ambient lighting. As you enter the bedroom, you find yourself in a peaceful haven. The finest silk linens are used to cover an orthopedic mattress that has been specially fitted for a king-size bed. To accommodate all of your needs, there is a walk-in wardrobe with plenty of storage drawers and inside illumination. Additionally, there is a concealed flat-screen TV that only turns on when necessary, and a touch-sensitive control panel next to the bed allows you to change the temperature, window blinds, and lighting. A restful sleep is made possible by the serene surroundings and seclusion from the outside world. Designed to the standards of a five-star hotel, the bathroom is your personal sanctuary. It has a sophisticated smart toilet, 2 sinks with chrome or gold faucets, and heated marble flooring. The full-size shower's body jets and rain shower head deliver steady water pressure. The energizing shower experience is completed with bright lighting, sophisticated ventilation, and an anti-fog mirror, offering unmatched comfort when traveling. The kitchen of the Bentley Motorhome is a gourmet haven that nevertheless manages to be both stylish and practical. The worktops are composed of premium quartz or marble. Full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers are examples of built-in kitchen equipment from well-known brands like Gagano and Sub-Zero. A wine cooler, an integrated espresso maker, and an abundance of well-designed cabinet storage with soft close mechanisms are all included. You can cook delicious meals from anywhere with this kitchen.